Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos of my amazing styles. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on hair help. So right now I'm just going to finish up the last couple of rows before I get to her edges. Okay, so like I stated before, I was doing a tutorial on hair help. So now we're just going to give you a review on some of the products that I will be using. First, I'm going to use the Hair Help Hair Growth Oil Drops, and I'm going to apply it to her edges since she was having some problem areas there. So you want to apply this hair growth drop oil to any area that is thinning or balding if you want to see thickness. That's the Hair Help Growth Drop Oils. Now I'm going to use the Hair Help Edge Control to tame her edges. I put a dab on my index finger, and I'm going to use something to keep the scalp moist, and then I'm going to apply it all around the lock as I twist. So I'm going to do this on all of her edges. I'm only going to use this edge control to apply to the edges. Have you had a takeout before? Do that? You might not even need it with this hair help, girl. The way this thing's touching all these edges back here, you won't even need. You might not even need. You might need that little thing right there, and that's it. So I absolutely love how it has caught all of my clients' hair, and it left it nice and silk and clean without a residue. So now I'm just going to go in and apply my Lock Juice oil on my client's hair, and then after that I'm going to continue taking the clips out and styling it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and do the styling part of this tutorial. You can be a little creative and just think outside of the box when you're styling and just follow the parts. If you need any help on the styling part, no worries. I also offer one-on-one classes. If you would like more information, just follow me on Instagram. Link will be posted in the details. Sorry about that. I was saying just follow me on Instagram for more information on the classes. Thanks for watching. Gift bags of this amazing product are also available. Click link in the description box.